Hey everyone, and welcome to another awesome unlocking tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to unlock any Android phone that's tied to a carrier. This method works across networks and countries, and it's a simple process that doesn't require any tech skills. In the next 3 minutes, you'll be able to use any provider's SIM in your phone. Let's get started. First, I'm going to shut down my phone and remove the SIM card. Now I will reboot the phone and look for my IMEI number. You can do this by dialing *#06#. And here you can see we have our IMEI number. Now I will copy this. Now open your browser. You can use any browser and head over to site called simneverlock.com. Make sure you type the URL correctly. Now here, paste the IMEI code we just copied earlier, and then enter your email address. Now click on Unlock Button Code. Now please wait. The tool sending request to the server. Now please click on Complete Unlock button. Now here what you have to do is complete any offer below. Be sure to follow the instructions carefully on each offer so you actually meet the requirements. Keep in mind, the offers might vary depending on which country you're in. I'll go ahead and complete the offer now. I'll fast forward through this part so you don't have to sit and wait. Once an offer is downloaded, don't forget to open it and run it exactly as instructed. That's super important. Okay, I've successfully done the offer. Now I'll close this up. I will now plug in my SIM card. And as you can see, the SIM is unlocked and it shows my carrier. That's it. My phone is now unlocked and I can use a SIM card from any carrier. Thank you for watching our video. For more helpful videos like this, please subscribe and hit the like button.